Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you've probably noticed a pattern where we take and we show it, we're showing you new gear, and then we'll go into a few weeks of where we're actually using the gear. So right now we've gone back to mode 1 where we're actually showing you new gear that's coming in, which is cool because that just means in the next few weeks we're going to have some cool videos showing you how we're using the gear. So just wanted to make sure that we had that straight because I know the last video we did was a box opening too. So I've got another one for you today that I think is really cool. These LED lights are part of a project I'm working on for my studio, and I thought the last one I bought would be enough, but I think I'm going to go with one more. This should be the last one I need. This is the Amaran 60-watt LED. So let's open it up and take a look at it. This was on sale on Amazon, 25% off. I think it was about $130. I'll look it up. I'll leave a link down below. Let's see. Let's get it open here. The box that it's in, it's styrofoam. It feels kind of like my granddad's fishing equipment from the 70s. I knew it was something familiar. It's, I guess it's okay. I don't think I like it quite as much as I like the Godox box or the newer box. You guys know how I am about boxes. Boxes and cases and that kind of stuff. I guess it gets the job done. Well, we'll see how it does. So in here we have a lot of parts that go with this. Our AC outlet to the wall. This is so that we can hook up either the NP batteries or we can hook up a V-mount battery. So that's cool. I like that. Because I will probably, even though I'll be in the studio, it's easier to move around when it's connected to a battery. So that's probably where I'll have it. Now these are handy. This is a pretty nice one too. This goes on the top of your light stand so that you can adjust. That's a pretty nice one. Yeah, it's bigger than most of them. So you can adjust the angle on it. So that's pretty nice. And here is the main star of the show. Again, this is the daylight version of the Amaran 60 watt. I would assume that that pulls back and this pulls off. And this does have Bowen's mount on it. There we go. So I don't have to have a special size anything Bowen's will mount on it. And I've got a lot of Bowen's gears. Now, I need to plug it up. Okay, so, all right, so here is the Amaran 60 watt daylight. This side right here, once you get it plugged in, will give you the percentage of the amount that you're using. It's just a simple, it's got the mount down at the bottom that you can mount this to, and then mount that on a light, and then you can put a Bowen's mount around the front. So this should complete everything I need for my experiment that I'm working on upstairs. And then here is a reflector that it comes with. And there is what it looks like put together. So this is the first Amaran unit I think I've had. Most of the stuff I buy is Godox and newer, that sort of stuff. So I'm excited about trying out a new brand. I've heard good things about Amaran. I just never have used one. I found this one on sale, so I grabbed it. This box is interesting. I haven't felt a styrofoam box like this in a while. I guess it'll be fine. It's really lightweight. So you know, you guys know me and how I like boxes, like the opening I did the other day for the Anderson monitor. I just love the case it was in. But this Amaran light will work in addition to our newer 60 watt. And our Godox 60 watt. So we're combining all those plus a Ulanzi that I've got to work this out. So I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be neat and interesting. If you have this Amaran light, let me know if you have it and what you think about it. And if you have any questions, let me know. If we're helping you guys out, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, and keep checking back. We're going to be putting all this gear that we've been showing you to work in the next few days. So let's check back and let's see how it all works out. So you guys have a great day. Thank you.